The CHP announced the arrests of 51 people during Operation Spinning Wheel at a press conference in Compton. Here's Southern Division Chief Dan Bauer.
And it involved California Highway Patrol investigators going undercover and infiltrating 3 different auto theft rings that focused on sports bikes. We had over 110 recoveries of stolen vehicles and almost $1 million in property value.
And why are sports bikes so popular among thieves?
You don't even have to figure out how to start the vehicle to steal it. You can take a pickup truck and have it in that truck within seconds. So the professionals can steal it very quickly and very easily.
They say you should park your motorcycle where someone is always watching it. I'm Jeff Whittle, KABC News.